These groups have to be very innovative all the time because the funding is so complicated. And so what they really need sometimes is something that's very simple for them to access, because they really want to be out in the countryside or out doing a choir or supporting people with a phone call. Ray of Light, Tanio, and there's hundreds and hundreds of other groups in RCT doing really amazing work. If we can support them to do what they do best and reduce the admin requirements and the complexity around funding, which is I think what these grants do, is make it less complex and easy to access so they can just get on with what they want to do.
So Spring Forward is a forest arts curriculum that's designed to help improve emotional literacy and well-being in young people. The grant has helped us in so many ways. It's allowed us to do absolutely everything from the development of Spring Forward. We were able to bring in people who could help us to formulate the perfect curriculum to really help focus on well-being in young children. They can be with friends, they can meet new children, they can learn new skills. It's just been absolutely invaluable, and we've been so lucky and so proud to be able to offer that for them.
The benefits that we've seen from the project has been huge, and not just by us, but by teachers, by parents. These are children now who are spending more time outdoors. I think they missed it. Even playing in a playground, they missed that, playing with friends. So yeah, it's benefited them greatly.
There's no choice anymore but to be thinking about new ways to help people cope with mental health struggles, especially ones that have developed because of COVID-19.
Well, we build dens, and we just make stuff sometimes.
Yesterday we built apples on trees with seeds in for the birds.
My favourite thing here is hide and seek, getting fresh air, and it's good to socialise with other people.
A lot of these children have been quite scared actually. It's been such a big thing and a big impact on their lives. I think it's helped them to calm and to just to be children again, really.
And we are so lucky to have had an impact on so many children's lives. I just feel immensely proud of that and very grateful for my team to work so hard.
Once you've had relationships locally, it lasts forever. It's not a service that lasts 6 weeks and stops, because they'll be connected with their community group, with their choir. So these groups allow that independence, allow people to get to know each other and make friendships and keep each other supported and make them feel really good about themselves over the long term, and that doesn't go away. So that I think that's what public services see now, is this is a chance to make a long-term difference rather than just doing a short-term intervention that's related to COVID.
So Ray of Light is a cancer charity. It's a charity that supports patients, friends, families, loved ones, basically anybody affected by cancer, because we understand that it isn't just the patient who's affected, it's the friends, it's families, it's anybody really. When COVID happened, everything stopped, but we took everything online, and this has made a massive difference to people affected by cancer, because they've got loved ones who they're caring for, perhaps in the next room, whereas a face-to-face group they wouldn't be able to go to, but because we were doing it online, they were able to carry on, having their bit of time for them.
It uplifts you. You could, especially with the choir that Beth conducts with Ray of Light, if you go on the Zoom and you come off feeling happy and uplifted, and and that sounds a bit not naff, but it's what happens.
Imagine if you're at home looking after someone you love and they're seriously ill, and you've got this thing you can go to that they can be part of as well. It is a huge thing, and it's so important.
Our services have thrived during lockdown, which is just amazing. And our evaluations have shown that people actually want to carry on doing things online, because it means that they're still able to go,
It's meant that we can have this extra group of people that come along, which is lovely.
You must know that I love you so.
So the funding has been a massive help to us. We would have had to stop like everybody else, but because we've had that funding in place, we can have the facilitators, people like Bethan running our choir.
It isn't just about the singing and the music, it's about seeing the people in the group and having a bit of fun.
It's taken down barriers, and you can just do it in the comfort of your own home. Yeah, it's less intimidating.
And the value, the sharing of that experience with everybody, it's made me realise, that the group is so important, and it provides such a service for people.
We are so lucky that we've had the funding, we're so lucky we've had the volunteer support, and the people have needed us. So to be able to carry on being there for them at a really, really tough time for the whole world, you know, has been absolutely fantastic, and it's something that I'm proud of and something that the team at Ray of Light are proud of too.
It stopped a lot of feelings of isolation. You know, it genuinely was something to look forward to. I wish it was every week actually, not just once a month.
We know it works. If we can fund them to do it and let them get on with it, it thrives. So that's all we need to do, is make it thrive. So there's something about making sure we don't come in and make it too much part of the system, and then we start saying, well, you need to do this for us. But in RCT, I haven't never seen so many groups doing so much good work. It's absolutely amazing.